So many people aren't sure what accounting is, but accounting is the language of business. Um, it allows business to understand itself, um, investors to understand a business, and businesses to understand one another. Um, so basically, the definition of accounting is accounting. It's a process used to record economic activities of an organization in order to generate reports for use by decision makers. Um, so basically, um, there's a lot of rules for accounting, and one of them is GAAP, which is generally accepted accounting principles. Um, these are basically the standards if you want to become like a regular accountant for anything. Um, so the main things you have to deal with if you're an accountant is assets and liabilities. Asset is basically something you own, and then a liability is something that you owe. Basically, so you're basically trying to balance it out, and if you have more liabilities than assets, or more assets than liabilities, then that shows you how much your profit is, pretty much, at the current time. There's also revenues and expenses. So if you're like a business like Kohl's or something, you can calculate your revenues and expenses by using certain systems. Pretty much anybody can use accounting information. Pretty much anybody in the business world, you and me, pretty much anybody. So that's why it's important to know this. So basically, it starts out with income statements. So this is a general accepted accounting principle if you want to get into accounting, especially an accounting assistant. Knowing net income, retained earnings, stuff like that. Another thing about accounting is it's not easy. Not many people can do it, so if you can do accounting, then you should really get into it, because not a lot of people can do that. Not a lot of people are good at crunching numbers. And actually, what I've also learned from my research is companies are going to start using robots, and more humans don't become accountants. So if you're good at accounting and you believe you can do it, then it's something that you should get into. Yeah, so basically the whole goal is to figure out the profits that you make. The profits, seeing your net profit and seeing if your business is really succeeding, and it generates reports for decision makers, like I said before. So yeah. And then basically ends up with then you figure out, cash at end of period, net increase in cash, figure out what exactly you really made for the year. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Yeah.